So the fundamental problem most B2B founders face is targeting that's far too broad and imprecise. I see this constantly. Founders defining their target market as any business that could use a solution. Or worse, using only basic filters like industry and company size. This approach fails for three key reasons. Number one, it ignores buying intent. Just because a company fits your demographic does not mean they're ready to buy now. Number two, it disregards technographic fit. Whether a prospect has the technical ecosystem to implement your solution successfully. And number three, it overlooks engagement signals, the digital body language that indicates genuine interest versus polite curiosity. So without addressing these three dimensions, you're essentially throwing darts blindfolded, hoping to hit a decision maker somewhere. And somebody who's actually in buying mode. So that's why your team is spending countless hours on prospects who never convert. This spray and pray targeting approach is costing you more than you realize. First, a brutally long sales cycle. When most of your pipeline consists of prospects who aren't really ready to buy, your average time to close bloats, often by 2 to 3 times what it should be. Second, sales team burnout. Your reps are working overtime to hit quota, chasing prospects who will never buy, leading to frustration, turnover and despondency. And third, wasted marketing spend. Your campaigns are reaching too many of the wrong people, driving down your ROI dramatically. Fourth, also opportunity cost. So while you're pursuing dead leads, your competitors are focusing on the hot ones. And fifth, the most critical, predictability problems. When your targeting is imprecise, your forecasting becomes unreliable, making it impossible to plan your growth effectively. The software company I mentioned was spending 60 hours a week on outreach, just closing 6% of opportunities. That's the targeting trap most B2B founders fall in. So here is your framework for creating problem-solving content that converts better than cold calls.